This is gonna feel horrible. Nah. I need more oil. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a battle of 4 gels for a twist out. Now, if you're new to my channel, make sure you take 2 seconds to subscribe to your girl, but also you need to know a little bit of information about me. So, my name is Invention, and I love to experiment on my channel. I love to compare products, I love to compare brands. I love to just split my hair into 4 sections and do what I need to do to see which is better. Just like today's video. So, I want to see which gel gives me a couple of different things. Definition, moisture, shine, and hold. So the 4 gels that we're going to be comparing today is going to be the Curl Days Glossy Shine Gel with Cocoa Oil, the Mane Crush Curl Teeny Styler, the Mane Choice Tropical Moringa Pearly Braid Glaze, nope, Pearly Braid Out Glaze, the Mane Choice Ancient Egyptian 24 Karat Glistening Gold Twisting Gel. Because all of these gels have so different consistencies, I couldn't figure out which leave-in to really use. For this, I didn't want to use a cream-based leave-in and then risk it flaking. So I decided to just use my Alikay Naturals Lemongrass Leave-In Conditioner just because it's a liquid-based conditioner and I'm pretty sure it won't cause any flakage with any of these products. We hope. Y'all, my hair, I used my Curls and Potions products today and my hair is like so happy. The first gel I want to use is going to be the Mane Choice Pearly Braid Out Glaze. So this gel is very sticky. And I must say it's kind of hydrating, but I really haven't used it like that. So I really want to see, obviously, why I'm doing this video. Hold on, let me make sure at first it doesn't flake. Very like slippery, curls are popping. Let you down, I'm your song and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, cause baby we got chemistry. You give me feeling. Now for this side, we're going to be using the Ancient Egyptian 24 Karat Gold Glistening Gel. I've used this before on my channel. I expect a lot more from this one, but I really want to know how it goes up against its cousin, I guess, the Mane Choice. I would say this one's not as sticky as the previous Mane Choice I just used. I'm also kind of dusting my ends a little bit. This side clumped my curls a little bit better. So, you know, if you are kind of interested in which gel will probably be good for wash and go, just from, you know, how my curls clumped, so far the Pearly Glazed clumped it a little better. Feelings that I never knew, this heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me. This side, the front section, is going to be the Mane Crush Curl Teeny. And like I said, I have a video with the Mane Crush Curl Teeny, the Ancient Egyptian, and the Curl Days Gel. If you want like more of a thorough review on these products. These are just comparing them quickly. Ooh, and this consistency is so weird. And it's blue. But it's so hard to get the product out. Right off the bat though, this one is a consistency that kind of zaps the moisture out of my hair. Like, it's not my favorite with applying. And I think this one also maybe might need like a cream-based leave-in conditioner. But let's take a look at how. So, it has a little bit of curls there. You can see. This is the side of my hair that has a different texture. Just right off the bat, this doesn't feel as moisturizing as the other sections. The stars, written in the stars, you, me, forever, yeah, you. Okay, now the last section is going to be the Curl Days Glossy Shine Gel on this side. So this gel is the least stickiest of all the gels. It goes this one, then the Curl Teeny, then the 24 Karat Gold Gel, and then the stickiest is the Pearl Glaze. Now in terms of definition, let's see. This is pretty good too. And so far I don't see any flakes. So thankfully the leave-in conditioner, the lemongrass leave-in conditioner did a very good job with being a good base for all of these gels. Alright guys, next morning, let's take these twists out. I'm so excited. So let's start with the order we applied it. So main choice, pearly gate. Main choice, pearly glaze. Oh, I see frizz. This doesn't have much hold. I think this probably would have done a lot better with a cream leave-in conditioner as opposed to a liquid one. It feels moisturizing. It doesn't feel, you know, like it has a strong hold or anything. It is falling off the bone. Again, if you're new here, hi, subscribe to your girl. But when I'm unraveling my twists and they separate with ease, I call it falling off the bone. Like when you're eating some good old chicken and that chicken, the meat's just falling off the bone. Yes. So it's doing that, which is cool, but I see frizz, which means my hair wasn't moisturized enough. It wasn't hydrated enough. So it just did what it naturally does, which is frizz. Out of the 4 things that I look for, moisture, definition, hold, and shine, I will say it has the moisture, and that's it. I don't count frizz as definition, so, and it is shiny as well, so 2 out of 4. Like I said, this feels exactly like the other side. It's falling off the bone. It feels very moisturized. It doesn't have much hold. 2 main choice gels, let me switch the sides so they match what they're on, feels completely the same. Like, moisture wise, they feel the same. I will say the ancient Egyptian one gave me more volume, as you can see. Yeah, I feel like the pearly glaze weighed my hair down. So I think the pearly glaze would be great for a braid out, which it does say braid out glaze, because then it will weigh your hair down, which if that's the look you're going for, cool, because you can always add volume. The twist out one, it does have frizz, but it gave me more volume. Out of the 2, definition wise, they're about even. This side gave me moisture and shine. Definition is cool, but I want no frizz. And I think, which I know, this will do better with a cream styler underneath, because I have done it. I have a video on it. I will leave it in the eye for you to check out. So this side with the Curltini has some hold, right? It did flake. I do have flakes on my shirt, unfortunately. There is no moisture in my hair. My hair feels dry. Definition could be better. It's there, but it also has frizz. And the shine, not really. But it's very weird because this is categorized as a cream gel. So it's very weird that it actually feels like this. But now for the curl days. This is the crunchiest of them all. Ooh, my God. This is gonna feel horrible. Nah. I need more oil. Trying to have hair at the end of this video. Alright, it's falling off the bone. It has no choice because it's so crunchy. It clumped every single curl of mine. Look at that. Y'all, look at this definition. Like, ow. I'm all hitting myself. It's crunchy. It has flakes. So, like I said, crunchy holding gels will have flakes, and it didn't have much moisture underneath. I need to break this cast. But, okay, shine on 1,000. Even with all my lights, you can see the shine. Moisture. There's shine, there's definition, and there's hold. So this one has 3 out of 4. It don't feel no type of way of moisturized. It don't. Okay, so I stretched my hair. If you don't know how I stretch my hair, my wash and goes, my twist outs, I will leave that in the eye and also in the description box for you guys to check out. I no longer am using picks to pick my hair either, just because I'm starting to see like little breakage here and there, and when you overly pick your hair, that's what happens. You're pulling, not like pulling from the roots, but you're aggravating your roots. So I'm not doing that anymore. I'm using my good old fingers for detangling, for picking my hair, all that stuff. So it'll get bigger as it goes on for days. So let's talk about my number one favorite gel for this twist out, and I think what I'll probably be using from now on, shocking, is the Curl Days Glossy Shine Gel. This pretty much was a 3 out of 4 for things I look for. It had the definition, it had the hold and the shine. Didn't have moisture because it definitely is a strong gel, and it needed something more moisturizing underneath it. It says this style be crunch free. That's a lie. Maybe I used too much, but it's definitely not crunch free, and definitely has flakes, so maybe like using just a tad bit less of this gel would be great. My second one is the Mane Choice Pearly Braid Glaze, only because I see the definition, I see the potential. It had moisture and shine. It had 2 out of the 4 things I look for, and you know what, that's totally fine. It needs maybe a curling cream or a better leave-in conditioner to clump my curls a little bit better, but I do like this definition. The definition is almost alongside the Curl Days one, so if you look on this side of my hair, it kind of looks uniformed besides the frizz at the bottom. I will be keeping this. I will revisit this for sure with a different leave-in conditioner or curling cream underneath, because I definitely do like this. Which product actually do you like better? Curl Days, any of the Mane Choice gels, or the Curltini? Like, tell me which one looks good to you, because I want to know your thoughts, concerns, and comments. And leave them all down below. Let me read them. Let me check them out. And don't forget to subscribe to your girl. Hit that bell so you know when I upload as well. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.